today I am continuing the vlog since, you know, this is going to be a little short snippet, but I am getting ready to, look, let me laugh. I was getting ready to go ahead and just do a quick photo shoot right quick. And look, I think this has been like a whole few days of me doing different photo shoots and different things that I have to get ready for. So I'm getting ready to go in here now and see if they're set up. But and sorry I haven't done much of anything else, but today I was gonna vlog me going out doing things today, but today is raining and I was like, nope, not going out to do anything extra, but I knew I had to do this today. So I'm getting ready to show you who I'm shooting with, and they can share their business information with you guys, but I'm excited. Okay, so once again, it's another fashion type thing, but it's gonna go by fast because I'm just doing a few shots. And they're actually friends of mine. They just happen to have a photography business. I've been knowing them for a very long time, and they've been wanting to shoot with me. They have a their business is booming, and I'm getting in where I can, pretty much. Okay, so let's go meet them. So we're getting ready to meet them. They're all set up. Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. I wanted to thank you today for the photo shoot and getting started. But can you tell everyone who you are and how you got started?
Yes, I'm Sharday, and we run our business together, myself and my husband, Lewis. And and the name of our business is McNeal Video and Portraits. You can find us online at McNealVideoandPortraits.com, also on Instagram and Facebook, all the same name. But originally the business started with my husband, not me. It's before we got together. And when we got married, I kind of realized that my husband is not very organized. And so I started getting into the business side of things, like getting his, you know, license, getting his taxes for the business and all that stuff together. And then he brought me along to second shoot with him. And so I started learning from him, and then it just kind of grew from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm excited. And you said
we're excited.
And you said that we can find you on
McNealVideoandPortraits.com.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. McNeal.
Okay.
So I know you can spell it a couple different ways.
All right. Well, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
All right. friends. Okay, well, it's a wrap, and I did some headshots, as you guys can see, and with my friends. They're from McNeal Portraits, but like I said, they are my friends. I've been knowing them for a long time, and I was happy to catch up with them because it is hard to catch up with them. It's hard to catch up with them, so that would be wrapping up today, because like I said, it's raining and I have to get ready for the rest of the week and to bring you guys some more content. So and bring you guys some more fashion that I will be getting in soon. So love you guys, and this is just like a little snippet. I guess these last few days have been a snippet of what it's like, you know, to, you know, the modeling, the fashion. It's kind of, you know, fast paced, and you have to, each day you have to be somewhere at a certain time doing things. So I'm, you know, hoping to give you guys some more glimpse of things and as I can, as people allow me to. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for hanging in there with me, and I will see you guys soon. Love you guys so much.